Hey, we are almost halfway through this course. This is Module 4. This week is going to be a full week, but you can do it. All right, first off, we are going to have a Learn Smart activity for this week. This is your third time doing this, so it should come as no surprise. If you're having any problems with it, feel free to contact me and we'll work through it. The other things that we're going to cover this week are really important. So in Module 1, you did a Smarter Measure assessment. That was the first part of it. Now this week, you're going to be completing the second part of it. And this is going to look at your strengths in reading, writing, and math. So what you want to do is complete the Smarter Measure assessment. I recommend finishing this on Monday or Tuesday of the week because you're going to need to use the information from it for your discussion board. Now, that's one part. The second part is we're going to start looking at all the amenities that SNU has to offer. There's the Writing Center, there's the Learning Community, lots of them. So watch the videos on that, check out the websites that are posted on the amenities. Now, when it comes to your discussion board, you're going to take all that information and you're going to create your discussion board post. Look at what your learning style was from Module 1. Look at your strengths and your weaknesses from your Smarter Measure assessment this week, and then look at the amenities. Say, oh, I have a weakness in writing, so I'm going to use the Writing Center, and be specific in how you're going to use it. So this is a very helpful week because it not only shows you areas that you are strong in, but it also shows you areas that you can focus your energy on to improve. But it also, we're looking at all the amenities that are here for you as a student. Use them. They're here for you. You know, this isn't something that just anybody walking down the street can use. The Writing Center is one of the best resources at this school. Where else can you go where you can have somebody revise your work? So anyways, take a look at all of that. So 1, the Learn Smart activity, 2, the Smarter Measure assessment, and 3, the discussion board. As you've seen in the past couple weeks, I will start grading. Everything will be done by Wednesday, and I will put up an announcement once it's all done. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I hope you have a great week.